Not every house built with shipping containers is big and expensive. In this video, we look at this amazing shipping container home that was listed for $118,500. So if you factor in the cost of land and the profit margin, that is a decent price for this shipping container house. So if you narrow in at the house, I like the architecture and the overall design. The house has been given a traditional gable roof. From the streetscape, basically it mimics other buildings and it doesn't look like it's out of place, for it can pass for any conventional house, save for the close look at the container cargo doors that have been left exposed on the front facade. So moving to the next slide, that's another look of the front yard with this beautiful finished entrance porch with some outdoor seating. A closer view of the entrance porch. I like the design approach of retaining the container cargo doors on the extreme ends, which have been used to enclose the entrance porch, and they basically act as shutters for the house, providing some privacy from the neighboring houses. A closer look, a closer view of the small outdoor sitting space. That's the main entrance, an entrance lobby. I like this piece of art to give some character to that entrance lobby space. That's a general view of the living room, most notably this nice compact kitchen space. That's a closer view of the kitchen with enough counter space, under the counter storage, and even some overhead storage space. I like this industrial style hanging rack for the utensils, and the corner sink also. It makes good use of that space, killing that dead space at the corner of the kitchen counter. This looks like a home office. There's some music kind of space. We have these stringed instruments and that keyboard. A closer view of the same, looking towards the entrance. This is the bedroom space. It's big enough and spacious for this size of a house. Another view of the bedroom. It is sizable and is well lit. The bedroom, there's some closet space right there. I love the bathroom. It's not that big, but at least it's well designed. I like the curtain shower cubicle, and the choice of colors also are quite interesting. This is the view of the backyard with the small deck leading to the backyard from the house. What do you think? Would you buy this house for this listing price? Let us know what you think by posting in the comment section below. So in summary, this is a 640 square foot house with 1 bathroom and 1 bedroom. If you love this kind of buildings or homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase this kind of shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.